Hello everybody and welcome to another maths class. Today I'm gonna explain how to solve this challenge. Okay, this is at the end of the topic about circle theorems, and I'm gonna solve it with you step by step. Okay, so TBP and TCQ are tangents to the circle with center O. Point A lies on the circumference of the circle. Prove that y equal 4x. Give reasons for any statements you make. So let's go for it. First of all, let's analyze the question. You have here two tangents. Alright, they are touching the circle, of course, and they are creating here angles with these lines that are inscribed in the circle. So the first thing that we have to find is one way to figure out angles in this quadrilateral, to use the properties of quadrilaterals to prove that y is equal 4x. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna see is that this side here is going to be exactly 90. Okay, the whole thing here minus the 3x formed here. Okay, because you have 9 degrees in the total. If you take 90 and you get rid of this 3x, you're gonna find exactly this angle. Okay, since from the center I'm creating here this triangle, okay, we can tell that this triangle is an isosceles triangle, and so you can tell that in the other side you have the same angle. Alright, you have the same angle, and so the same is happening for the another triangle here. You have x in one side and you're gonna have x in the other side also. So since there are isosceles triangles being created from the center, so you can see that we're gonna have the same angles at both sides. Okay, now if we add up this angle here, 90 minus 3x and x, these two angles here, we're gonna find 90 minus 2x. Okay, 3x plus 1x is 2x. 90 minus 2x. So this angle here, okay, BAC, this angle is 90 minus 2x. So this is the angle at the circumference. The angle at the center here is going to be the double of this angle. Let's go forward. This angle here is actually the double of this one. That's why it's 180 minus 4x. Alright? Well, now I'm inside the quadrilateral. So since we are inside the quadrilateral, we can use the properties of the tangents. Okay, tangents are always going to create 90 degrees with the center of the circle. So we have 90 degrees here, we have also 90 degrees here. And we already know another thing. Interior angles of a quadrilateral is the sum of interior angles is 360 degrees. Okay, quadrilaterals 360 degrees. This is a property of all quadrilaterals. Alright? So if we add y and the angles here, we have to find 360 degrees. So let's do it. Okay? So y plus 90 here on B plus the angle 180 minus 4x plus another 90 at the bottom must be 360 degrees. Alright? Must be 360 degrees. So if we solve this, we're gonna prove that y is equal 4x. So as you can see, I have 290 degrees plus 180, so I have 360 degrees here, and 306 degrees in the other side. So I can cut out all of these numbers. At the end I'm gonna have y minus 4 equals 0. And so we have proved that y is equal 4x. So that's it, guys. Thanks for your audience here. Please check if you understand all the steps of this challenge. And it's a very interesting question to use the theorems and find the size of angles, not with numbers, but only using letters. That's it. See you next time.